Yo, what's good, YouTube? They just added cars in this bitch. Oh my, bro. Look at that nigga, bro. I was already shooting at that nigga, bro. Oh shit, those two my heart, bro. Alright, but yeah, like, I'm starting this new YouTube channel. Because my other one got banned, you know? Yes, sir. But Casey's real. Nigga, I'm thinking that's the other Casey, my nigga. Oh, I thought I could open the door. I'm like, shit, man. Alright, but yeah, we gonna be smoking everybody. Wait, how much EBKs? Barely any EBKs, so we gonna be smoking everybody. You know what? Even the allies. Fuck it, I'm playing. If I accidentally kill somebody in this video that you recognize, my bad, alright? I think that nigga just killed EBK member. Yeah, if I kill somebody that you... Oh, shit. I'm about to smoke the fuck out of this man, bro. Bitch. I don't know if we went OTW, so that's why I'm just doing this, bro. Oh, nigga, you gonna shoot at me, right? You gonna shoot at me, right, nigga? Pussy. Nah, now I'm chasing your friend down. Oh, this is Ghost. The nigga who shot at me. Oh, stupid ass nigga's hiding, bro. He sold his house. What a goofy. Still this bitch? Nope, he's not. He left. Bro, see, bro, people are so scared of me, my boy. Like, bro. Come here, bitch ass nigga. Yeah, that's what you get for shooting at me, you stupid. What? Bro, my gun keeps jamming, you know? Fucking hate that, bro. Hold on, what time is it? It's 8:48 in the morning. Alright. Hey, yeah, I'm uploading this video at 8:48 in the morning, so it'll be done, like, by, like, tonight. So if you see, like, the time and shit, yes, sir. Oh, and, like, I'm uploading, like, my old videos back on here. Oh, okay, I see we got ARC members in this bitch, so. Oh, shit, oh, shit, oh, shit, oh, shit. Fuck you, OTW. You fucking suck. I got good ass aim. That's how you know you get shot, bro. You jumping. What's good then, nigga? What's good then, nigga? What? I'm fucking leaving, bro. I fucking hate my life. We switching servers, my boy. We switching servers. Hold on, what time is it? Yeah, only reason why I'm wondering what time it is because it's like, cause like I gotta get on the bus in a minute. It's like 8:49 a.m. Hold on, is it? Yeah, no, it's 8:50 now. Yeah. Hey, I need some editors too, bro. I really do need some editors. And some in a new friend group. Cause these niggas, I don't know. They be scamming this shit. When this clock hot. No! No, no, what? Bro, I'm gonna get my ass shot. That nigga don't know how to reload. He don't know how to shoot me in the car. No! Give me in, give me in, give me in. Yo, I almost died, bro. Oh, shit. You know what? This is probably why they never give me a driver's license in this game. Oh, yeah, if y'all don't know, these cars are free. You don't gotta go buy them. Might as well just scam y'all. All you gotta do is do this, see? Spawn charger. When you got that lock. Then when you got your bike, just do that. Yeah, so the car is 250K, but we all know it's free. And the dirt bike, oh shit, and the dirt bike is 150K. That's not free. Holy sh! Why am I being shot at? Oh, I thought I could open my door again. You fat bitch. Go eat a cheeseburger. What got you smiling like that? A cheeseburger, nigga. Yo, homie, what got you smiling like that? What got you smiling like that? Cheeseburger, nigga? Oh, that jump was straight funny though. Oh, what's going on, nigga? Yeah, you shot me, right? Stupid. Smoking on you. My aim is low-key ass, bro. I think it's just a gun. Look, no recoil. Not that much recoil, bro. Look at this. No recoil. Look at this. Yeah, it's like they're all the same, bro. Oh, I also need design. Oh shit. I also need designers for my group. What time is it now? 8:52. Okay. Yeah, cause I just need to get the on the button like stuff. No, not 9, like 9:25. Bro, you see how good of a shooter I am, bro? Shouts out to Drake. Hit the fucking top. Fuck where he from. We gonna spin this block. He left, bro. What a goofy, bro. Ready to quit it. Don't play this game if you just gonna race quit, bro. Man down some dead body. Oh, I gotta I'm getting a new PC soon. Shouts out to Drake. Hit the fucking top. Fuck where he from. We gonna spin this block. I'm about to go to the street. Oh shit, I see him. I'm about to chase him down. I got my bike switch. Alright, you know what? That's gonna be it for today, alright, bro? I'll see y'all later. So what? Hey. I'll see y'all later.